typically have a different structure. So we have an integration playbook, and it depends. So we have like a kind of comprehensive diligence checklist. Some of that will be comprised of like what's economic, and then what's more comprehensive that we need for integration planning, for just broader know-how diligence, from a systems, from a how you do things, and who your people are, and kind of all of that. And then we have different playbooks associated with that. So I'll load in, because I have it managed in Excel because it's an easy import function. So I can just import our typical integration playbook or integration request list into here, and then we'll kind of all populate under a, say, integration request category. So I'll add a new category. I usually don't add it because I can just import it. Well, I'll add integration, and then in here, there'll be several different requests. Say, IT discovery call, things like that, and then all the different things will be associated with that. So that with integration, there's going to be tons of different subsequent tasks that I assign to, say, our IT team, and say, hey, we need to have the IT discovery session with the target to really learn about their systems, what they're currently using today, figure out like how we need to potentially integrate things going forward, kind of all of that. It'll be a separate list of tasks, and it's managed separately, versus up here, it's really just like, what is this? What's our analysis? Is what's more like economically important versus the kind of broader kind of integration planning.